Welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change theme on Mobills application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Mobills application from your app drawer. Make sure to be signed into your account if you're not already. Once you are in, from the main homepage, look for the More button appearing at the bottom right hand corner and tap on it. From the More options, tap on the Gear button at the top right hand corner. Under Settings, choose Preferences. Choose Appearance from the next page. Select the Light mode or the Dark mode from the Appearance tab. If you want to change your Mobills theme to dark, select the Dark option. If you want to set it to Auto, defined by the system's settings, you can check on the Defined by System option. You can make any of your selection and then you will be able to change your theme on Mobills. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.